CTET Most Important Short Questions 2026. Question number 1. The standard IQ of a gifted child is generally between option A below 70, option B 90 to 110, option C 140 or above, option D 80 to 90. So the correct option is option number C 140 or above. Question number 2. Which of the following is a primary agency of socialization? Option A is school, option B family, option C media, option D government. So the right option is option B family. Question number 3. The language acquisition device LAD concept was given by option A Noam Chomsky, option B B.F. Skinner, option C Jean Piaget, option D Lev Vygotsky. So the correct option is option A Noam Chomsky. Question number 4. Which state of India is famous for Kachnar flower vegetable curry? Option A Kerala, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Maharashtra, option D Assam. So the right option is option B Uttar Pradesh. Question 5. According to Howard Gardner, a dancer possesses which type of intelligence? Option A is spatial intelligence, option B musical intelligence, option C bodily kinesthetic intelligence, or option D linguistic intelligence. So the correct option is option C bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Question number 6. In EVS, Pochampalli is famous for its traditional saris. It is a part of which state now? Option A Karnataka, option B Telangana, option C Tamil Nadu, or option D Kerala. So the right option is option B Telangana. Question 7. Which of the following is a tool for formative assessment? Option A term end exam, option B portfolios, option C annual tests, option D final grades. So the correct option is option B portfolios. Question number 8. Proximo-distal principle of development moves from option A head to toe, option B center to outwards, option C specific to general, option D simple to complex. So the correct option is option B center to outwards. Question number 9. Which bird stitches leaves together with its beak to make a nest? Option A Tellerbird, option B Crow, option C Sunbird, or option D Weebird. So the correct option is option A Tellerbird. Question 10. Gender is A and option A biological construct, option B social construct, option C psychological construct, option D innate quality. So the correct option is option B social construct. Question 11. Right to Education Act was enacted in India in which year? Option A 2005, option B 2009, option C 2010, or option D 2020. So the correct option is option B 2009. Question 12. Which animal has teeth that keep growing throughout its life? Option A cat, option B squirrel, option C tiger, or option D sloth. So the correct option is option B squirrel. Question 13. According to Piaget, egocentric speech is a characteristic of which stage? Option A sensory motor stage, option B pre-operational stage, option C concrete operational stage, or option D formal operational stage. So the correct option is option B pre-operational stage. Question 14. In EVS, which state is famous for kadhai embroidery called chicken curry? Option A West Bengal, option B Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, option C Gujarat, option D Rajasthan. So the correct option is option B Uttar Pradesh Lucknow. Question number 15. An inclusive classroom reflects the philosophy of A. Integration, B. Segregation, C. Inclusion for all, D. Special classes only. So the correct option is option number C. Inclusion for all. Question number 16. Which bird is known for its sweet voice and lays its egg on a crow's nest? Option A. Quail, cuckoo, option B. Pigeon, option C. Sparrow, or option D. Owl. So the correct option is option A quail cuckoo. Question number 17. The process of self-regulation of one's own emotion or thinking is called A. Cognition, B. Metacognition, C. Memorization, or D. Adaptation. So the correct option is option B. Metacognition. Question number 18. Which place of India is also known as cold desert? Option A. Thar, option B. Ladakh, option C. Simla, or option D. Uti. So the correct option is option B. Ladakh. Question number 19. Errors made by children during learning indicates A. Lack of intelligence, B. Carelessness of children, C. Windows into how children think, or D. Need for strict punishment. So the correct option is option number C. Windows into how children think. Question number 20. The full form of NEP 2020 is option A. National Education Policy, option B. National Exam Program, option C. New Evaluation Policy, option D. National Equity Project. So the correct option is option A. National Education Policy. Question number 21. Which method emphasizes learning by discovering things on your own? Option A. Lecture method, option B. Heuristic method, option C. Textbook method, option D. Dictation method. So the correct option is option B. Heuristic method. Question number 22. In EVS, Karnam Malleshwari is famous as option A. Athlete, option B. Boxer, option C. Weightlifter, or option D. Cricketer. So the right option is option number C. Weightlifter. Question number 23. According to Piaget, object permanence is achieved in which stage? Option A. Sensory motor stage, option B. Pre-operational stage, option C. Concrete operational stage, or option D. Formal operational stage. So the correct option is option number A. Sensory motor stage. Question number 24. Which state has the traditional dance form called Kathakali? Option A. Tamil Nadu, option B. Kerala, option C. Andhra Pradesh, option D. Assam. So the right option is option B. Kerala. Question number 25. A teacher should view cultural diversity in her classroom as option A. An asset, resource, option B. A barrier, option C. A problem, or option D. An anomaly. So the correct option is option A. An asset or resource. Question number 26. Which bird's male partner weaves beautiful nest for the female to choose from? Option A. Sunbird, option B. Weedbird, option C. Crow, or option D. Pigeon. So the correct option is option B. Weavebird. Question number 27. The three-language formula was recommended by which commission? Option A. Kothari Commission, option B. Mudaliar Commission, option C. Radhakrishnan Commission, or option D. Sarkaria Commission. So the correct option is option A. Kothari Commission. Question number 28. Which animal can look in two different directions at the same time? Option A. Owl, option B. Eagle, option C. Chameleon, option D. Snake. So the correct answer is option C. Chameleon. Question number 29. Learning without burden is the main philosophy of option A. National Education Policy 1986, option B. National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005, option C. Right to Education Act 2019, or option D. None of the above. So the correct answer is option B. National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005. Question number 30, and it is the last question of this video. Which of the following is a gross motor skill? Option A. Writing, option B. Cutting paper, option C. Swimming, or option D. Threading beads. So the correct option is option C. Swimming. Thank you to all the viewers who have watched it till the end of this video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more such contents. Till then, bye.